Do you want to make money in real estate without owning a property? Let me give you exact messages to send to agents and the cash buyers, and they actually reply your message. If you are new, watch this carefully. Most people get ignored because they sound desperate and fake. I will show you how to sound different. Everyone asked me to drop the messages here, and that is what you are going to get in this video. Here is the list of messages I sent to agents and cash buyers that get them to reply your message. Your goal here is simple. Get listening, do not beg, do not spam. Instead, here is exact messages to send. Message number 1. Hi, quick one. I'm connecting with agents in your area. Do you have any current property available for sale or for rent? Message number 2. Hey, are you currently working with any available listing? I'm building a small network and we love to include yours. Message number 3. Quick question. Do you have any active listing right now? I might have people interested depending on what you have. This works because it's simple, it's not pushy, and it makes them reply your message. Now, going to part 2 of this video, finding people with money, real estate cash buyers, those that buy properties. Reaching out to cash buyers, do not overcomplicate it. Here is the first message to send. Hey, week 1, are you currently looking to buy any properties? Message number 2. Hi, are you open in seeing new properties idea if something good comes up? Message number 3. Quick question. If I come across a solid property deals, will you be interested in taking a look? People reply because it's low pressure, it's opportunity based, it sparks curiosity. When agent replies, you now have listings and properties. And when buyers reply, you have demand. You connect both. And that is where the money is. You are not forcing deal, you are just connecting opportunities. If you want the next level, I will show you how to close deals step by step and get paid. Comment part 3 and I will drop it.